Hi guys, so I'll be staying for one night at this beautiful hotel, Novotel. Waking up at 4 o'clock, catching my flight to Cancun, Mexico. It's almost 5 in the morning. I'm waiting for Uber for a pickup and I'm going straight to the airport. Final call. After 4 hours and 40 minutes, I finally arrived to Cancun, Mexico. Tired but happy and excited. Waiting for shuttle from Rio. We're finally going to Rio Palace Peninsula. Yay! The shuttle is provided free of charge by the resort, but you need to make sure to put yourself on the list. Vámonos, amigos! And yes, we are going to Rio Palace Peninsula, the most luxurious resort of Rio chain in Cancun. I never go twice to the same resort, but this one is exception for me. It's my second time and let's see if they can beat the first one. I'm here to show you everything. The resort located in the hotel zone, Zona Hoteliera as the locals name it, in a form of 7. And if you come for the beach, just like me, you need to stay on the top of the 7. There, you will able to enjoy it almost without waves. Currently passing through the Playa Delfines, one of the most beautiful beaches in Cancun, and some other 5-star resorts like this one, Iberostar, Paradisos, Hard Rock. Have you visited one of them? Share in comments below. And of course, the main street that attracts the most tourists, with plenty of restaurants and of course, Cocobongo. By the way, to enter Cocobongo, the regular ticket will cost you around $90. Make sure you leave some time to pass this beautiful street. Beautiful Rio Palace Las Americas, which suddenly became adults only, Fiesta Americana, all these are 5-star resorts. And finally, after 35 minutes, I'm here at Rio Palace Peninsula. Being a Rio Class member gives you exclusive benefits and discounts, so why not? Oh, it's good. We got a beautiful room and of course the bracelet. The guy at the reception was super nice. Guys, this is a great start. I got a free upgrade to Ocean View. I'm still wearing a hoodie, but it's time to change. Let's go. That's the main entry, and then the reception is over there. Okay, and the restaurants on the right, the beach and the pools are there. Pretty cool. I really love this interior, fancy party style. Not like in other resorts, this coffee place is open all the time. They offer coffee, cappuccino, tea, snacks like sandwiches, cakes, bakeries, and much more. You could grab sandwiches if you're leaving for the day or if you're simply craving for something sweet. All of this available anytime and how much you want. There are 2 stores in the resort. This one they sell sunglasses and jewelry. Don't expect anything cheap, these guys are selling high-end brands. The review for the buffet, the breakfast, lunch and dinner will be in a separate video, so make sure you like it and subscribe so you don't miss anything. My first meal here. The selection is incredible. So as they promised, the room is ready at 3 o'clock. Let's check it out. Let's go. I'm taking you with me. Hey, it's a nice coffee place. With a dispenser, everything is included. A mini bar. In Mexico, the mini bar is never empty. Water, beer, and Canada Dry Pepsi. Alright. And there is 7-Up. It's Mexican beer. It has a new packaging, I see. And here is the beautiful room. Oh my gosh. This looks, well, it looks amazing. Ooh, cute. There's a little sofa here. The TV is right here. You can have a shower here even. Alright, nice mirrors. Toilet is here. Let's check the shower. Wow, it's a big shower. Listen, it's a big shower. Ooh, wow. Here we go. So it has an ocean view. Well, that's a big balcony, by the way. Check. It's really big. Cheers, everyone. We made it. Wow, I love it. Look at the color of the ocean. It's beautiful. Come from Canada to Cancun. Weather is amazing. It's warm. It's nice. And you know what? It feels great to finally remove your boots and wearing flip-flops. Rio Caribe is right there. That's the party place. We will go together to see how it looks after renovations. It's beautiful. That's the other side. Day one. Let's enjoy it. There are plenty of things that you can do on the beach. Being lazy like me, have a massage, or do water sports, which I plan to do a little bit later. What I love the most about Cancun? The beach. The warm water, almost no waves. A little bit of seaweeds. My resort is on the left, Rio Caribe on the right. They share the same beach. Look how close they are. Why I'm climbing the rocks? To meet the first animal here, iguanas. They live here in the rocks. Late in the evening, when all the restaurants and buffet is closed, there is also an option to go to sports bar. You can play a pool, watch a game, or have a late snack. I saw many sports bars in other resorts, but this one has a great selection. How beautiful it is. The staff are already cleaning and doing gardening, cleaning the pool. They used to have a big flag over there actually. Today it's missing, not sure why. And now they're doing some food near the pool. I'm gonna show you what they're cooking. And of course, Mexican food is on the menu. Just for fun, I went to see Rio Caribe after renovation. Let me show you. The same bar as it used to be. Look at this. Very nice. I think it used to be orange, but now different colors. They added some wood, I see. That's how it looks now, fresh and clean. They kept the same store. They do sell sunscreen, but you need to know that the prices are way higher than regular prices. Handmade sombreros, I had to try one. Food here. Here are the pools. Rio Caribe looks great after renovations, but I'm glad to be back at Rio Peninsula. It's a very popular place for weddings, and there is one here today. So romantic. I'm back in my room, and they already cleaned it. It's shining. They also left a few surprises. Little roses. If you get a great service, tip them. They deserve it. They don't ask for it, but they really deserve it, so why not? Be generous. I went outside of the hotel and I discovered that there is a pharmacy 5 minutes walk from it. So if ever you need it, it's right there. You don't need a bus, you don't need a taxi. Let's try the Mexican flag. It's the next morning. Being spoiled in Mexico means breakfast straight to your room. Yes, guys, it's included and free, so why not using the option? I'm being too lazy here in Mexico. Now it's time for a crazy jet ski. Are you ready? Let's go. Although it's wavy today, it's totally worth it. Now I decided to try their restaurants. Yes, they're reservation free, but if you don't come early, you will never have a chance to try it. They put you on the waiting list and you just wait and wait. Try to come early as much as possible. Not very satisfied, I went to the buffet. And I'm glad I did, because I didn't miss these guys. While you eat and enjoy your buffet, they sing for you. There is also tequila tastings tonight. Don't forget, you're in Mexico, they have the best tequila. The guy played on the piano, made my evening. It's never boring here. There is skate show, live music, and entertainment team. I'm going to the city, I'm taking the red bus. The bus comes every few minutes. Make sure you have 12 peso or $1. to pay for the ride. And very important, when you cross the street, be very careful. Even if you stand on the pedestrian cross, they will never stop. So use precaution when you cross the street.
Right here you can see crocodiles. I hope I will not see one.
The buses are pretty old and they don't have air conditioner. Most of the people in the bus are either tourists or workers of the hotels. It was a quick ride. I arrived at La Isla. This is open-air mall and one of the most popular malls in Cancun. There is plenty of things to do here, but I came for the aquarium. Any one of you familiar with this Argentinian steakhouse? Write in comments below. You could go on the sky wheel, swim with the fishes or dolphins. This is a must experience for everyone. Want to know what's inside? Let's have a quick look together. Me so relaxed, walking around, looking at different things. What I didn't expect is a shark on top of my head, just swimming around. Here, they're showing how much plastic we have in the ocean. Not cool, right? So don't forget to recycle your plastics.
Oh my gosh. I'm scared.
These you can actually touch.
Hello.
I was willing to touch them, I washed my hands. But these guys, they weren't interested at the moment. Swimming with the dolphins is the best experience you can get here. Whenever you're an adult or a child, you will enjoy it the same way. So much worth it, so much fun. Let's continue. When you're out of the aquarium, you can have a nice walk here, a good meal in one of the restaurants, and of course, take pictures on this beautiful boardwalk. Simply enjoy the beautiful weather and the view. You're on vacation. Believe it or not, this is another great museum that you have to visit. Take a picture with a shark. Some stores are still to open, so I'll leave it for next time. After a full day of fun, I'm heading back to my resort. What I didn't mention yet is my resort has also an adult-only section. Here it is. They have their own pool and quiet place. Some also have a jacuzzi on their balcony. If you like to have more quiet time, maybe this is for you. Every time I come back to my room, it's always clean with little surprises. Good job, guys. Look what I saw, a pirate ship over there. Have a look.
Just another cruise that you can take on a pirate ship. With meals, with show and everything.
Dinner time and show time. Great themes for every taste. And if you're not into the shows, there are games at the lobby.
It's beach time. Why not?
It's really nice to be here today because in Montreal they have 20 centimeters of snow.
Oh, school. Stores are closed. Some sit without electricity. I'll enjoy every second of it.
I will grab a drink at the swim-up bar and try a burger.
Hola. Let's give this
a good try. That's a good burger. Back to the beach. The sand is so soft and never too warm. The sun is very strong in Mexico, so make sure you're protected. Sunglasses, hat and sunscreen. Seaweeds? Yes, but not too much. And this will not prevent me from enjoying the sea. You can play a beach volleyball. Rio parties, there's something incredible. They have it 4 times a week, and you must try at least one of them. Let me show you.
wanna get you wet.
It not only looks crazy, it is crazy. So much fun. All Rio guests are invited. Again, you want a party? You go to Rio Caribe. Unfortunately, every vacation has a beginning and has an end. I'm flying out today, but I will enjoy every single minute of it. It's time to check out. The checkout is at 12. I'm all ready, the suitcases are ready, but we still have a full day because the flight was delayed 2 hours. The flight is in the evening. I'm leaving the suitcases downstairs and I'm going to enjoy the sea and the pool. Now that's the time that you realize that you don't really want to leave this paradise. But without ending this vacation, you cannot start the next one. They cut the bracelets. I guess it's time to leave this beautiful palace. I'm waiting for the shuttle. That's my shuttle. Thank you, Rio Palace Peninsula. It was awesome week, starting from the free upgrade to the ocean view. The food, incredible, so much variety. Buffet is my favorite. The entertainment in the evening or near the pool. The parties, even the games, never boring. And now you guys, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share your comments below. And me, I'm heading to Montreal to plan my next adventure. See y'all!